Hey everybody, what is going on? You already know who it is. This is your favorite nerdy educator, the hardest, workingest, nerdiest educator that you ever met in your life, coming at you loud, live, and in red with curls from the office. This video is not going to be long. I'm going to try to make this as short, sweet, and simple and to the point as possible. This is a crash course on what you can expect for Miss Hampton's virtual English class, okay? Number one, please make sure that you have accepted the link that I have sent to you all via email. If you are watching this video and you are one of my students for adult ed and you did not receive the link, you need to hit me up ASAP. Preferably before Monday, but ASAP, all right? Number two, please make sure that your camera and audio is off. I will be recording all of my classes and posting it on YouTube. So I want to respect you all's privacy, and I want to respect, just respect all around. You know how Miss Hampton do. All right. Just making sure that your audio is off because we want to cancel out any background noise. We want to cancel out you having a sidebar conversation with somebody, which you really shouldn't be if you are in class. All right, that's important. All right, number three, if you miss class for any given reason, it's still going to be your responsibility to make sure that you do the assignments. The videos will be posted up by noon every single day, unless something comes up and things happen, but I will do my best to make sure that these videos are posted on my channel by noon. Please make sure that you check the description box for any information and check the pinned comment section for any links and resources that I may leave there. Okay, so check one or the other, or check both, because sometimes I will leave the same thing in both places. Okay, so basically, what are we going to be doing this first week? The first week is simply going to be very light. We're going to be touching on a lot of hot topics, things that have been happening, things that are going on in the world. Okay, and we're just going to have a discussion about certain things, because remember, when we have discussions, it brings on dialogue and it brings on different perspectives and it brings on a great conversation to have. Okay, so with that being said, remember also, even though we're virtual, you still want to keep it cute and be respectful. Okay, that's very important. All right, so just be mindful that I will be recording these videos and posting them to my YouTube channel with resources, links, and more information as it relates to the class, adult ed, and pretty much anything related to GED. All right, so I think I did a pretty good job with making this video under 5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it here. If you have any questions to my students, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, or you can contact me if you have my contact information, and so that way I can get at you. All right, so Monday morning, be there 9 o'clock. Don't meet me there, beat me there. Okay, so with that being said, Miss Hampton loves each and every one of you. Please continue to be safe, continue to practice social distancing, wear gloves, wear a mask, wash your hands, all of that. All right, it's very important, all of that. All right, so with that being said, I am out of here. Bye.